Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and tapping on the Home button. Then open the second one, but this time access background apps. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then click on Split Top in the pop-up and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!